Service Partner and Service Scheduling. Choosing a service partner will allow you to activate the service scheduling function and also to request a service appointment. To select your service partner, click on the Service Partner tile. Here you can find service partners that are located in your desired location. You can look for service partners using the search bar on the map. When you choose the service partner and confirm the selection by pressing Yes, the service scheduling function is automatically activated. This will ensure that your service partner is informed when your car needs to be serviced. Then press Save and finally press Activate. When you have the service scheduling function active, your service partner can contact you to arrange an appointment. You can also choose your service partner in the application. The procedure is the same as in the portal.